One of the more common brand names for naloxone by nasal spray is Nalxone. Remember, unlike the pre-dosed injection, Nalxone only contains one dose. However, each packet should contain 2 nasal sprays, meaning you'll have 2 doses if necessary. First of all, remove the outer packaging and keep the nasal sprays close by. Then make sure that the person is laying on their back so that you can open their airway via the head tilt chin lift procedure. Check their nose to make sure there's nothing that will block the entry of the nasal spray. One press of the plunger will give you an entire dose, so accidentally pressing the plunger will cause that nasal spray to be rendered useless. Hold the nozzle between your first 2 fingers with your thumb on the plunger. Then gently insert the nozzle into one of the nostrils. Be careful not to go too far up, because this could either block off the end of the spray or damage the inside of their nose. Now that you're ready to administer the dose, press down on the plunger until you hear and feel a click. This is how you know that the dose has been administered correctly. Like with the pre-dosed injection, note the exact time that it's been administered, and in the case of nasal spray, which also note down which nostril you used. Should another dose be needed, be sure you use the other nostril if possible, and again, make a note of the time. Also, like the pre-dosed one, the drug should start to work within 2 to 3 minutes, so you can put them into the recovery position while you wait.